little bit of gardening. I'm gonna try growing the dwarf sunflower and putting the herbs that we got at the farm on Sunday, Milka Farm, in one of inside each of these. So we got basil and I think Greek oregano. Forgot basil and something else. We'll find out which are like in there. And Daniel started doing the fence on our garden. I still gotta wash the grill because it's pollinated. Those over there with the flowers on top, I realize are scallions. We're still working on the backyard.
Oh yeah. Jeez, I'm worried the wind's gonna blow it. I almost tried to bob myself with the rings. What? No, with the rake.
Oh god, no.
I put this here in case it falls.
Thank you. That's really thoughtful actually. I broke my phone doing it once at Jen's house. Sweet basil and Greek oregano, just like I thought. I'm hoping they make it. I'm gonna replant one in here and then one in this one. I got these last year with my sister and Home Depot. I think I got these in Walmart. I guess it's alright. Is it okay if it's a little bit taller than the planter?
Yeah, it's really not supposed to be.
Really?
Yeah.
Should I push it down or should I take it out and take the soil out?
You need a bigger planter.
Wait, so I should take it out and take some soil out?
Yeah, or get a bigger planter.
Do you need soil for anything?
Yeah, we can just start on the wall.
Is that okay? It should still be lower? I'm trying not to break it. I keep breaking it.
We got bigger planters in the shed, but they're not nice looking. They're like orange.
Is that okay?
Yeah. Is there a hole in the bottom of that? Yeah, right.
No. There isn't. Should I change the planter? I used them for something else.
Oh, really? Oh, was there something? Yeah, I think it's alright. I'm gonna put these in the garden.
I'll find out when I take the soil out. What are those? The ones you made? Oh, okay.
These are grown for seeds.
This one's really difficult. Is it bad if I ruin the roots?
Yeah. You could rip these.
Well, you can. I didn't know that.
That's what I would do. I just kind of just try to rip it around. What happens is the roots start coming out of the bottom.
Bambino. It doesn't tell you what to do. So what do you do with this? Is this like the bottom? And then you stick this on top? How does this work?
Multiple flowers.
Like, is that the soil? Do we put anything? What's the bamboo one?
I have no idea. Do you just put it on?
That's what I was wondering. That's what I was wondering. Yeah, it's a kit. Can be started indoors and eventually placed outdoors after danger of late frost. Mid-February to June, fill a separate bucket or pot with 2.5 cups of lukewarm water. Place pellet in the water and stir it until it's fully expanded.
Oh, okay.
Once water has been completely absorbed, you can loosen the premium grow mix with the pour, leaving it, which for best results, leave overnight for complete absorption. Fill the planter with 90% of the expanded premium grow mix. Carefully open the seed packet and place seeds evenly divided in the premium grow mix. So can I do this outside?
Yeah. I don't know.
It's not supposed to rain, right?
No.
What?
Use this one. Mix it in.
Oh, okay. So I put this in there?
Yeah, and then you mix lukewarm water, and then you put it back in there.
Like now, or wait until tomorrow?
I wouldn't wait. I would just.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I'm not teaching.
Is it supposed to expand? Oh, I see.
Does it expand?
Kind of, yeah. And that's the soil?
Yeah. I mean, is that necessary?
I don't know, but I figure I might as well.
Yeah. And if it's not enough, then just use that. I've never seen that set up before.
Don't do this at home, guys. Shoot. 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 First I make a mess. It's falling apart. Yummy. We don't play here. I mean, I'm playing, but yeah. That's all. It's like 4 seeds. I literally put, it's like a pumpkin seed in there. The few seeds. It's in here. It's good to go.